a really Scottish one. I'm a skyscraper waiting. I live on the 9th floor, and I'm no going to fling on your share. Since I moved to Castlemilk, I'm wasting away, 'cause I'm getting one less every day. Oh, you can't explain pieces that went so flat. 700 hungry ways will testify to that. If it's butter, cheese, or Juliet, the breed is played or gone. The audience is reaching out on 1991. On the first day, my love long it's a piece of Hovisbrun. He skated in the windy and went off instead of doing. 7 hours it comes back into sight, 'cause my piece went into orbit and became a satellite. On the second day, my muffler got a piece out once again. It went and hit the pilot of a low flat flying plane. He ripped it off his goggles, shouting through the intercom. The lights and reds have gone, way up the jelly bomb. Oh, you can't explain pieces, it's that red distorted line. Turn it on to hungry ways, so testify to that. If it's butter, cheese, or Juliet, people play on mine. What's next to reaching out on 1991? On the third day, my mom thought she'd try another throw, and the Salvation Army band were standing down below. Onward Christian soldiers was the fleece they should have played, 'cause playing on Mamas and Marbles, or you can't find pieces it's that way so far. 700 hungry ways will testify to that. If it's butter, cheese, or Juliet, the breed is played or gone. The odds against the reaching out from 1991. We rode away to Oxfam to try and get some aid. The Wains in Castlemilk have formed a peace brigade. We're gonna march to George Square, demanding civil rights. Nate Mayor, who says the word is swinging in heights. Oh, you can't explain pieces, it's that way you're flat. 700 hungry ways will testify to that. If it's butter, cheese, or Juliet, the breed is playing on mine. The odds against you reaching out for 1991. If it's butter, cheese, or Juliet, the breed is playing on mine. The odds against you reaching out for 1991.